Welcome to Sophic TV. We are learning more about Elbit Systems of America. Joining us now is Erik Fox. Erik, your company has been at the forefront of equipping American and allied warfighters with night vision devices for more than 6 decades. So what trends are you seeing and hearing from your SOF customers in terms of their night vision needs?
That can be summed up in one word: overmatch. Our SOF customers are looking for higher performing, lighter, smaller systems, making them more mobile, effective, and allowing them to engage at greater standoff ranges. Doing so provides the overmatch they're looking for.
How does your company continue to remain at the cutting edge in terms of night vision technology to meet the needs of the SOF warfighter?
Here's some examples of things we're working on. We're implementing next generation night vision to allow them to engage at better standoff ranges, and we're working on multispectral sensors for covert targeting. We're also working on network night vision display systems to implement augmented reality for navigation, blue force tracking, and target designation.
Erik, thank you. Also joining us is Sower. Rich, you seem to have a very broad product portfolio that might be summed up by saying you make products that put lasers on target, and you make products that put warheads on targets. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
We're actively developing next generation targeting, long-range weapon sights, low-profile augmented reality, targeted for SOCOM operators. They all leverage recent investments we've made in enabling technologies like scalable processing, image stabilization, and augmented reality.
Mobile precision indirect fires is a bit of a hidden story. The big guns and hypersonic missiles get all of the attention. So can you talk about what you are doing to put precision fires into the hands of the SOF community?
Elbit America is uniquely positioned to provide these aspects of the organic MPIF capability in a total package. They were lightweight, automated, precision-controlled 120 millimeter mortar capabilities that integrate with many vehicles, including the indigenous commercial options used by SOF. Our 120 millimeter precision-guided mortar rounds and kits utilize GPS and laser guidance to ensure first-round lethality in the most improvised and extreme conditions. We can offer penetrating warheads with multiple fusing options to engage various targets. And finally, our handheld targeting technology that we're currently working with SOCOM on provides next generation precision target location and laser designation in increased ranges and denied environments.
Thank you both so much for your time today. And to learn more, head over to elbitsystems-usa.com.